Hi, this is Teacher Edward SC. Welcome to my channel. We are here for this video called Nature Vocabulary. So, we are here for a video to learn more words related to nature. Let's get ready and start. Desert, desert, desierto. Beach, beach, playa. Forest, forest, bosque. Rainforest, rainforest, selva. Mountain, mountain, montañas. Volcano, volcano, volcán. River, river, río. Lake, lake, lago. The sea, el mar. Waterfalls, waterfalls, cascadas. Cave, cave, cueva. Don't forget to give a like to this video and to subscribe to the channel. Let's continue. The sun, el sol. The moon, la luna. The sky, el cielo. Clouds, clouds, nubes. The wind, el viento. Fire, fire, fuego. Tornado, tornado. Hurricane, huracán. Rain, lluvia. Rainbow, arcoíris. Hail, granizo. Snow, nieve. And don't forget to give a like to this video, as I told you before, to subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. Here are some recommendations for you. If you want to check them out, it could be a good idea. So goodbye and have an excellent day. Take care.